Honey.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Wow. Wow. This is just wow.
Cats. I love cats. They're the best thing in my life.
Oh God. So let me in, open your house.
No, Luna, no! Oh my God!
Oh my God, this is not happening.
Decent sized mouse.
Like some medicine.
Do you like it? No. No.
Stop being ratchet. I don't know what you're doing, but you're sure good at it.
Gary!
Oh.
Poppy, 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 poppy.
The package up here.
Say yeah.
No.
Are you good?
I need my jacket.
Oh, it's cold.
What is it?
I love you so much.
You're not gonna react? Oh, oh.
Hello? Where did he go?
Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh, did she say hi?
And I are gonna get dressed.
Being abandoned.
Hi.
She's happy for me. She's happy for me.
Tres.
One more hook? Okay.
She patted you back.
Stop being ratchet.
I don't know what you're doing, but you're sure good at it. My name is Jen.
Oh, go.
I'm just trying to watch The Parent Trap.
Analyzing content. So like what happens is, for example,
Come on, my boy. Whoa.
No, who's gonna make it? Oh shit.
Tamam. Bugün yarın tamam. Hafta
Yeah.
Speed, bitch. I'll show you some real speed.
This one's mean as fuck.
Where is the
She was so intelligent.